Alright, hey Miss Minas. So I updated my contacts page and it looks a little different, but that's just because I needed to find like the system that would work for the database. I mean I could easily like edit it in the program or in the code itself, but I just left it kind of simple and easy so it's not like anything complicated. But you type in your name. I'll just type in anything, or I'll just put this in. So you type in your name, your email, and then the last part's what's your art, and then you can type in like if you're what type of music you do, like a producer, a singer, songwriter, and then type in your city, your country, and you can type in like a message. And then you can hit submit. Kind of like the last, so that's my last recording did the same thing. It just brought you to this page here, but instead of like I had a little word at the top, it was just saying like, "Hey, welcome," and I was using PHP post, getting post, so like put the name on there, and then now this is just I just display the database, and basically like it gives you an ID number, and it displays your name, the what you do, and then it gives you like your email. But I kept this. I'm using this right now as like a way for people to connect with each other. So like other artists and other people who want to connect to different producers, want to connect to singer-songwriters, people who do like mixing, they can all come to one spot. And like if they want to talk to somebody, their email would be right here, and then they have their name. So I mean, in a real world situation, like usually you're not gonna want to like display somebody else's email like that, but just for the sake of having the database on the page, I just left the email there and had my name there. But in a real world situation, I don't think I would do that. But um, I did not put a delete button on here just for that sake, where people can just go and find who they want to like talk to or who they want to like get information from. So I kind of just left their names up there, so it'll just keep adding on to the list, and then sooner or later you can scroll down to the next page, or not to the next page, but you can just scroll down and there will be more names with ID numbers. The reason it's starting at 16 is because I was trying to figure out. I was just doing like test runs, putting in different names, putting in different numbers, and deleting from the database instead of from the contacts page here. I just did everything from the database to see if it worked, and it did. Like if I inputted it, put like a new name in the database first without having to go through the contact page, it'll show up still. So did that. But yeah, everything's the same. I moved the button from the top left corner down here, and then yeah, that should be it for like the new like setting it up and stuff. But yeah, it does look a little different than it did like the contacts page. Does look a little bit different than it I did in the original page. But if I were to fix it up, it would be pretty similar to what I had on the original page. But yeah, like I said before, it was just so it's easy to go through. I don't have to go through anything. Like I don't have to go through all the hard stages trying to get the code going. So I just kind of moved it, made it simpler. It's a lot smaller. But yep, that's it right there.